Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I try to go for rearing cow here. I just try to release the cow and they are eating salt here. Salt. See how do I give, see. This is how we used to give the salt to the cow. Now today I'm about to release the cow. The whole day I have to rear and I'll come back in the evening. See guys, this is our cow eating salt here. So guys, I will take the video, jungle video, and I'll upload in the YouTube guys. Please look the video till the end. I released the cow now. They are heading towards jungle now. See, I may reach the place within like 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then only the cow will start grazing. Now I have to go like this. I have to walk non-stop for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And only the cow will reach the place where they are about to graze. Yes, I give them salt. They are thirsty and start drinking water. See, this is how the cow drink water. It's very hot. So we have to reach that mountain far there. The cow is very hungry now. They start grazing here, but there's small space. This canal water. Yeah. I have to reach that mountain. We are heading towards jungle. Guys, if I take the video whole day, my battery will be down, so I'll take some part and I'll combine together and I will upload in the YouTube. I'll take the video when I return back in the evening, the same route. I have to come this. Now we are heading this side. Now next the evening we have to come this side. This way. Now they are heading towards jungle. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching video. Guys, this type of fruit is available here in this jungle. If you want, you can take it and see. This is tasty. Cow is drinking tea. Oh, I mean drinking water. We reach the place now. The cows start grazing. This is the grass. See, they start grazing now. The whole day they will graze like this, and the evening I'll return back. It's around like 6. They'll graze slowly, and they'll go this side and go that side. start coming now. Dull grass. See, the grass is very nice, very new. But it's very hot. I am sweating. Rearing cow is not easy. They are doing that side. It's here. That's it. The cow will go that side. This is the jungle. See guys. Guys, this is the video. Whew. It's the jungle. See. Nothing is there except cow. It's down there. Scary jungle. But I don't afraid. See guys. I found one mushroom. जा hey. This is the jungle, see. Another cow is coming here. They are searching for the mother. Oh. Hey. One cow is coming very hurriedly, searching for the friends. Running like anything. Oh! It's the jungle. Beautiful jungle. It seems they are very thirsty. See, they are drinking water here. Guys, see. They are drinking water. Yes. Seems they are very thirsty. Hey, hey, ja. Hey. Ngare shangari. Ja, thau. Hey. Hey. Ja. We are heading toward home now. The whole day I rear the cow. Now the time is almost 6. Now we are heading towards home, and guys, see, cows are going like army patrolling, line by line. See, so this must almost dark now. This side, this is the sky. This is the jungle where I rear the cow. See, now we are heading toward home. Hey, go, go! It's not time to graze. Hello, guys, go! See how beautiful is the cow. See, they are going line by line. Now, today walk is done, and tomorrow I'll go again. But I'll not make the video every day because viewers may be fed up of the same videos. See how the cows are moving. They're going line by line, like patrolling. Guys, see, it's about to be rain again. See the sky. The sky is not clear. Before I reach the cow set, it may rain again. See, the sky is very dark now. See, this is the mountain here. See, it's very dark now. I'm tired, hungry also. See, it's raining, and see the water is like this. And the cows are going here again. Once they are heading toward the home, we don't need to worry. They will go directly. See. No one is there. See, they are going line by line. See the sky. The sky is beautiful. This is the view of Manipur, Lamka. See. Welcome to Lamka. Here. See, I'll show you. See. This side. The cows are going here. And this is the paddy field. See. Am I able to see the first cow or not there? Yes, they are going line by line. Okay, fine. Let me do this much. I'm tired also, guys. See how beautiful is the sky, though it is dark. Guys, see. We call this Ghanti wall. Guys, it's dark now. See. See, it's already dark now. I'm about to reach now. It may take around 10 minutes to reach the cow shed. It's almost rain now. Hey! Assa! Hey! See. A hungry man is an angry man. So, hey, asala, hey, go, hey. So they're done now. See the sky. Yeah, so muddy also. See, the road is like this. Oh, it's dark now. Guys, the video is not clear. Still don't watch the video. See, the road is so muddy. I'll show you my shoes. See, and let me not reveal my face because I'm too ugly to show my face to you all. I'm cowboy. Hey. See, we almost reach the place now. See, the road is like this. Yeah. Guys, इधर मनी भाई हाँ अच्छा kan YouTube ani oh subscribe ro bye bye thoro le fero matrong khom kan big thaya thado in chu kan big thai no kha fero kuki paw jong khe din ai wanga hoita ka tho thai lo hin lungsit ta in ka channel hi subscribe bol pi win lang share jong bol pi win lang like to see as I cannot speak Thado Kuki properly, I cannot speak Mar also, but I can speak the Bazaar language. See, another Activa is coming there now. So muddy. See, the road is like this. The road is like this. See. Let me help. Ngai no mo? Ole. Mang tharo le. I almost reached now. Hey! Dark now. Ay. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Mole hang zanin nehin, hangin zong le kei ding bang, chi jing hin kalung de nu me, mo na ding a hi pole, nei na nga olung de nu, kahung e na koma ding. I almost reached now. See, I reached this jungle. You may heard only the sound of kolong kolong, but you may not see the cow because it is already dark now. See, I think you can see some side. I almost fall down. See, we reach here. Ooh. This is called Gentai life. Hausa life is not like this, okay? This is Gentai life. Hey, see, you may not be able to see, it's dark already now. King Lang life. Finally, I reach here now, cow set. This is the cow set, see. This is the cow at last. Hey, hey! We call kulu kulu kulu, hey! Kulu kulu means we keep the calf separately inside to milk tomorrow. See. Hey. Are ipi bongham. Hey. Hey. So we keep here separately. All the calf here. Hey. Are. Go. We lock here. And this is the door. And Bongno is here separately. And Bong is here like this. This we keep separately because we will milk tomorrow morning. So guys, at last I reach the Bongbu, and there is the Bongbu. The camera is also not that good because the phone is just only iPhone. Okay, see. So now I'll go home and I'll eat food and I'll sleep. See the calf here. Tomorrow morning we'll milk it. And here, see. Okay guys, bye. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share as much as you can. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Bye bye guys. Guys, I'm going back home now with my Hayabusa here. It's raining also now. After 20 minutes I'll reach home. Guys, see, it's raining. See. Okay guys, this is called Gentai life. Gentai keka mungzo po. Okay guys.